Hello everyone, welcome here on my YouTube channel and good morning. Time check, it's about 6:30 in the morning. I intended to wake up around 5 o'clock, but I just got lazy because I have a lot of household chores to do. But anyway, I have this small and easy project that I wanted to show you guys. Anyways, a family member is going to be transferring to a different apartment and they're just collecting some furniture. So I have extra pieces that it's just laying around here in the home and we don't need it, so I'm gonna give that to them, as well as I showed them this fake plant and they love that one. So if you guys have been following and watching my YouTube video, last year I made and put together this artificial plant. It's called Monstera plant that I made specifically for my patio area. It's working well until now, but I have a different plan or future plan that I wanted to do in my patio area. That's why I'm letting it go. But since I placed it in a large pot, intending in the patio area, I will be transferring that to a smaller planter, which I will be showing you guys how I will do it. So this is just going to be quick and easy project that I will be doing today. And probably after I do that, I will be staging it here in my home. That way you'll have an idea how it's going to look like in their place. But first, let me just make some breakfast and then change my clothes and do some household chores. I'm sure I won't be able to finish all my household chores today, so it's going to be done in a few days. But I will take a break in between and then do that project for you guys. So for me, I don't like the bread to soak for a long time. So what I do is heat the pan, and once it's ready, that's the time I place the bread on the mixture and then put it on the pan immediately. First things first, I need to water the plants. Usually, family members are the one who's doing this type of work. But if they are busy and I have a free time and because of the summer heat, I have to do this. I made this screen to cover the electronics on top of my fireplace, and so far it's working well. So if you guys are interested and wanted to see how I made it, I will share the link on my description box. My fur baby loves to sit on top of this cushion couch, so every time I clean my home, I always fluff and form this backseat cushion. Every now and then I do crazy dancing just to have fun while I'm cleaning. And I also sing on top of my lungs, and I feel sorry for my family and also for my fur baby in hearing my out of tune voice, especially when I have my headphones on and I don't hear anything. I do know I look silly, but I have to find a way to have fun while I'm cleaning. And now it's time to rejoice since I'm done cleaning with some section of my home. And what a better way to celebrate it with my fur baby who's always supervising me wherever I go. Okay, everyone, I was not able to do the project yesterday because I did a lot of errands as well. But anyway, I'm just so excited to put this project together. And I know this is just going to be a quick and easy project. I already cleaned the leaves because it was placed in the patio area. So it's been accumulating a lot of dust, as well as I remove it from the original pot. I bought this planter from Home Goods, and what attracts me is because of the cane and the simple white color. Another one that I bought for this project is this styrofoam from Michaels. It says on the tag that it's used for cake decorating classes, but it's perfect for my planter because it's round, so I bought two. I will just be using some regular household glue just to attach both the styrofoam as well as stick it on the bottom or the base of the planter. Since the pot is already heavy, I want to make sure that whatever I place inside the pot are light materials, yet sturdy enough to be able to hold the plant. Next thing I need to do is to trace around the stem. That way I know how big the hole I should make. And then just use my regular box cutter. Since the styrofoam is so thick and I'm having a hard time cutting it through, I decided to remove it from the planter and just use my regular kitchen knife to make a hole and glue it back again. Even though I used the glue in between the styrofoam and the planter just to add some security, I'm using those extra styrofoam just to fill in the spaces. I'm using a lot of glue in this project because I want to make sure that this is nice and secure. And to cover this unsightly styrofoam, I will be covering it with moss. Okay, that's quite a messy project, but anyways, I am done and already cleaned the area, but there's one thing I still wanted to add on this project, and this is the plant stand that I bought from Amazon. What I like about this plant stand is that it's made out of metal. It can be used from indoor and outdoor, and you can adjust it depending on the size of your planter from 12 to 16 inches. So now that I'm done putting this together, by the way, I forgot to tell you that you can use this on either side. If you want the planter to be higher, you can use the longer legs. Or if you want it shorter, you can use this way. But I prefer the shorter legs, so I will be staging it for you guys. That way you will see or have an idea how it's going to look like in their place. Okay, everyone. So I hope this will fit in their place, but I'm sure it will, and hopefully they will like it. Anyway, I wish you find some inspiration on this video just by me simple cleaning my home, or even if you have like an old artificial plant just laying around and collecting some dust, by simple cleaning and changing it to a different planter can surely make a big difference. And you don't have to spend a lot of money just to buy a new decorative plant for your home. Anyways, please share, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That way you get to be notified whenever I post some videos here on my YouTube channel. And again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!